Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how long it takes to get approved for Revolut. I've been using Revolut for a while now, and I've found it to be a really great product. But I know that a lot of people are interested in learning more about it, so I wanted to do a video on it. So, how long does it take to get approved for Revolut? Well, the answer is that it depends on a number of factors. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, investing, and travel. It's a really popular product, especially with younger people. So, let's get into the details of how long it takes to get approved for Revolut. The first thing you need to do is create an account. This is a pretty simple process. You just need to provide your name, email address, and phone number. Once you've created an account, you'll need to verify your identity. This can be done by providing a photo ID and a proof of address. Once your identity has been verified, you'll need to add a payment method. This can be a bank card, debit card, or credit card. Once you've added a payment method, you'll be able to start using your Revolut account. So, how long does each step take? Creating an account, this should only take a few minutes. Verifying your identity, this can take up to a few days. Adding a payment method, this can take up to a few days. So, in total, it can take up to a week to get approved for Revolut. However, in most cases, it will take much less time than that. Factors that can affect how long it takes to get approved for Revolut. There are a number of factors that can affect how long it takes to get approved for Revolut. These include your country of residence. Some countries have stricter regulations than others. The type of payment method you use. Some payment methods are more difficult to verify than others. How busy Revolut is at the time you apply. If Revolut is busy, it may take longer to process your application. Tips for getting approved for Revolut quickly. Here are a few tips for getting approved for Revolut quickly. Make sure you have all of the required information ready before you apply. Apply during off-peak hours. Use a payment method that is easy to verify. So, there you have it. It can take up to a week to get approved for Revolut, but in most cases, it will take much less time than that. If you're interested in learning more about Revolut, I encourage you to check out their website. You can also find a lot of information about Revolut on my channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.